everyone, this is Tiffany with Easy Toddler Hairstyles, and today I'm so excited to show you products that we use on a regular basis. I am asked products questions all the time, and so I am going to show you products that we have tried that we haven't loved, and products that we do absolutely love. I've tried, I feel like just about everything under the sun as far as kids lines are concerned over the last couple of years. Now I hate that I have to do this, but I do want to add a disclaimer that none of this is sponsored. We weren't sent any of this product. It's all product that I have bought and used, and so therefore I feel like I can give you a really unbiased, honest opinion on all of this product. Also, this product works really great in my daughter's hair. She has got fine but thick blonde hair. If your little one has natural hair or curly hair, I don't know if these will work on their hair or not, but it's always worth a try. I just wanted to add that. So I have experience with these products in my daughter's hair, and that's about it. So let's go ahead and get started. Product that I'm going to show you is this Galvin Jr. London Kids. It's an organic 2-in-1 shampoo and body wash. This was actually the first product that I tried when I was kind of branching out into kids lines to see if there was anything for kids that I really liked. I like to use a product that is tear-free on my kids just because if they get it in their eyes, then it's not a huge deal. This you can buy at Target or online. I believe it retails for about $5, so it's really affordable. I like this if you have a toddler that has fairly thin hair or pretty short hair. I've used it on my 20-month-old son. As Nova's gotten older, I haven't liked this as much. I feel like she needs more as her hair's gotten longer and thicker. So I feel like this is okay. I would probably recommend it if you've got a littler toddler, but as they get older, she's 4 now, I don't love it as much for her hair anymore. The next line that we tried was also one that I got on Amazon. It had fairly good reviews. It is called Fresh Monster. So it has a whole bunch of different scents. This is also a toxin-free. I don't know if I mentioned that the Daniel Galvin is an organic and free of like SLS and SLES. I like to go for natural products if I can. This one is also a gluten and soy free, and this particular scent is the coconut. So I feel like this is pretty comparable to the Daniel Galvin Jr. It's a 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. I think it works pretty well as a shampoo, but I wouldn't substitute a regular washout conditioner in your little one's hair because I felt like my daughter's hair was still kind of hard to get through after the bath with this product. But it is an all-natural one, so it is a pretty good one. I believe it retails for, I think, $8 or $9. I'll look them up for sure and let you know. Okay, the next shampoo that I'm going to talk about is actually the one that we're using right now, and I really love this shampoo. I would recommend it. This line is called Little Twig, and like a lot of the others, it's paraben free, sulfate free, no synthetic fragrances. It's great for sensitive skin. So I actually have the shampoo and the conditioner in this one. I think it comes in a couple of different scents, but this particular one is a calming lavender. The scent is really nice, and it's natural. I believe that the lavender is an actual lavender flower extract. So it smells really nice. I feel like it does a really great job shampooing her hair without completely stripping it. And then the conditioner, I actually really love this conditioner. So this is a washout conditioner, so I will put this in her hair and let her play in the bath for 5 or 10 minutes before we rinse it out. It's recommended for infants and up, and like I said, I love it in her hair, and she's 4. So they actually recommend this conditioner as either a leave-in or a rinse out. And sometimes I'm afraid to put a conditioner that's a rinse out as a leave-in because sometimes it can leave the hair really greasy. But if I do like a pump about that size, and then run it through my hands and then run it through her hair, I find that it's actually really lightweight. It doesn't weigh down the hair, and it does a really nice job detangling. It's soft and it smells so good as well. This set is available on Amazon, and the price point I will put down below. I'm sorry I can't remember all the price points on these. I will put it down in the description box below so you know how much it is and where to purchase it at. So again, this is a Little Twig line. This is what we're currently using, and I love this line. If you're looking for an option that's a little more affordable, this Aussie Kids is also a great one. This is a Good Day Grape, and it smells just like grape bubble gum. It's pretty fabulous. This particular shampoo is free of silicones and parabens, and that's really hard to find sometimes in an affordable shampoo. I know that the Suave Kids shampoos have a lot of fillers. I know they're really cheap, but they have a lot of fillers in it that you probably don't want to be putting in your little one's hair. It causes buildup. You have to wash the hair more often. So this is definitely a good option. And this is actually a shampoo, a conditioner, and a body wash in one. The little Twig is still my favorite because of the scent and the natural properties, but this is also a really good option. It's available at Target. I will also link it at Amazon below. The next thing that I'm going to talk about is leave-in conditioners. Now, leave-in conditioners are so important. Because I style Nova's hair damp a lot, I like it to be manageable and easy to get through so that she doesn't have any breakage and so that it's strong. There's a few products that I've been using as of late. One is this So Cozy Detangler. It's a leave-in conditioner and the smell is tutti frutti. No parabens, sulfates, phthalates, synthetic color. It's free of gluten, wheat, and nuts. I like this So Cozy, but it's not my favorite. I really don't love the smell. It says it's got like, it's fruity tooty, but I feel like it's a little like sickeningly sweet. If you like overly fruity smells, then maybe you like it. I feel like it was just okay. As far as detangling goes, it's just okay as well. Not my favorite detangler, but it does get the job done. So this leave-in does have keratin, soy protein, and kiwi extract. Those are all things that help condition, strengthen, protect, and smooth the hair. Now, my favorite leave-in conditioner is actually from Hot Tot. I've used some of their other products like their shampoo and conditioner, and those are okay. I do still prefer the little Twig, but I love Hot Tot's leave-in conditioner. I feel like it does such a nice job. It's for long or short, fine or thick hair. It also is free of all of the fillers that the others are free of as well. It's got Japanese green tea and vitamin B5. I love this conditioning detangler. So I will spray this in her hair after the bath. We also spray it in her hair after we wet it down a little bit before we style it. And then at night before we go to bed, when I go to comb through it, I will spray this in again. So usually like 3 times a day. And this bottle lasts us a couple months. So it's around $14 for the bottle, but this is totally worth it. I would endorse this product all day long. I just love this conditioning detangler. Link down below if you're interested. So the last sort of hair care product that I'm going to talk about is a product that I use on my hair on a regular basis. I love this product and I actually use it on Nova's hair as a heat protectant, but it's also really great for her hair too. So it's a 10. This actually, so it's a leave-in product and I can't remember everything it does, but it serves as like a leave-in conditioner, a treatment, a heat protectant. Anyways, it's got 10 different properties that help strengthen and protect your hair, and it really works. So this stuff is pricey. 1 ounce bottle is like $10, $10 to $12. And then the bigger bottles range anywhere from like $20 to $30 depending on where you get them from. You can buy this at Target, in salons, on Amazon. And if you are a mom or woman, I would recommend this for your hair as well. I love it. And I will use it here and there on Nova's hair as well. So that's the It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In product. All right, so now we're gonna go to styling products for just a minute. A product that I use almost every day on her hair is this Herbal Essences Set Me Up Spray Gel. Unlike some of the other products that we use, this isn't really a natural product, but I honestly have never found anything that works as well as this. It's not sticky, it's like a spray gel. It's not sticky, it works like a gel, and so what I'll do a lot of times when I style is I wet her hair down a little bit and then I'll spray several pumps of this spray gel and then I just comb it through her hair. It really helps tame flyaways and keep things under control. So I am still on the hunt for a more natural product, but until then, this is so awesome. So you can purchase this at Walmart and on Amazon. It's only like $2 or $3 for a bottle, worth every single penny. This is such a great styling product. Another thing that I'm gonna recommend when you're doing your toddler or little girl's hair is a spray bottle. So I have a regular spray bottle that does like a regular mist. And then I also recently got one of these, I think you say it Flairosol bottles. Anyways, you just kind of hold it down and it also lets out a mist. This is my new favorite bottle, I love it. But more often than not, I will wet her hair down a little bit. If it's the winter, I just wet down the roots or the part that I'm styling with because I don't want her head to be super cold all day. If it's during the summer, I don't feel bad. I just wet all of the hair down. All right, so this isn't necessarily hair care related, but one question I get all the time is the elastics that we use. We use 2 different types of elastics. One is the Amelia Beauty, which you may have seen in some of our videos. In fact, I think I showed it on my last video. The other is Proclaim. So the Proclaim brand is available at Sally Beauty Supply if you have one nearby. It's also available at Amazon, but the price is really inflated, so I probably wouldn't buy them from Amazon. The Amelia Beauty, if you're gonna buy on Amazon, is actually really affordable. You can get them in all different sorts of colors, primary colors. This is a purple and pink mix. You can get them in black and clear. I would not recommend getting the plastic bands from like Target or Walmart. They just break so easily, especially in the summer when they get hot when you go swimming. I kind of learned that the hard way. So the Amelia Beauty and the Proclaim, they're actually made of rubber. They're really, really stretchy, so you only need to put them around your little one's hair a couple times. And then at the end of the night, I'll just take a pair of scissors, nail clippers, or a seam ripper, and I will just pull it away from the hair and I will clip these out. So don't ever pull the elastics out of your little one's hair. It will break it. It will cause them pain. It's just not a good idea. So don't forget to cut these out. As far as styling products and hair care products, that's it for us today. So we hope that you really enjoyed this. We would love it if you would give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Please leave a comment below if there's certain type of hairstyles that you would like to see, or if there's another type of video that you would like to see us do. We have new uploads every Friday. We will see you next week with a new video. See you later. So you're actually going to use all of these every day. They cost $11 billion. We might have a hair care product problem.